Izotope, why would you do that? What's up everyone, it's Beazless here, and let me tell you a little story about Izotope Ozone Elements version 10. It was one of these happy days that my new songs mix was mostly ready, so I wanted to do some initial mastering to finally get some idea on how the finished track might end up sounding. Having done some cleaning, I slapped the Ozone Elements 9 on my master chain, clicked the master assistant, and a couple seconds later I had the suggestion ready for my tweaking. What Ozone does is it listens to a track and then uses AI to master it. Well, of course it's only a suggestion and you can tweak it. Then it hit me. I had that audio lens plugin I downloaded for free during last Black Friday. After listening to some reference tracks with the audio lens capturing, I tried to import the target to Ozone 9 element. But unfortunately it was not going to work as the version 9 wasn't compatible with a much newer audio lens plugin. I might actually have a little workaround. Stay with me till the end of the video and I'll show you what you can do. I went on the hunt trying to find the best deal for the Ozone 10 elements and eventually got it directly from Izotope for around 33 euros, one of the post Black Friday deals. Launched it, and after running a quick analyzing I could finally apply my target from the audio lens plugin on my own track. Feels like stealing the master, sweet. Yeah, that sounds good, I actually like it. Okay, but let's fix some lows a little bit, let's find the EQ. Or anything. Where's the imager? Where's the maximizer? Where's the EQ? No, Izotope, why would you do that? Okay, so let's break down what just happened here. In version 9 of Izotope Ozone Elements, you could actually tweak some sound that you process through the mastering assistant. So whether that be EQ, compression or width, you could tweak that a little bit, and the EQ is actually quite impressive and up to the newest standards. It was even called a suggestion to work on. Izotope took a different approach in version 10 of the Ozone Elements. Well, the master assistant will create a less of a suggestion to work on, because there's not much you can work on. You can basically change 2 things and tweak 3 other things. So what are these things that we can change? So you can change a profile, you can change a different target acquired from audio lens or your own reference track. You can change how much the EQ should kick in, how would you like to limit it, whether it be soft, medium or hard, and how wide do you want the sound to be. And that's about it, you can only change these things. Now when you click here you get that lovely message from Izotope encouraging you to upgrade to a standard or advanced version. Now, should you ever want to do that, always make sure to log into your Izotope account and check the personal price they created for you because they have a loyalty program. And also try to save a little bit more money and get yourself a bundle straight away. You can have Ozone, Nectar, Neutron, Neoverb, and it all for a price of like 2 plugins or 3 plugins, you get 6 or 7. This will set up your mixing and mastering workflow once and for all. Also just want to mention this video is not sponsored by Izotope, I just like and use their products for years now. Okay, I'm not saying that the version 10 is worse in any way, it actually sounds much better than the version 9 and the master assistant's AI does a much better job. And now, with such ease you can steal the master of your favorite reference track and apply the same tonal balance, compression and width to your own track. But there's no way to do at least a little bit more advanced stuff inside the app. So, what we can do about it? Okay, case number 1, what you want to do is to duplicate the elements. So let's click Command D. Duplicate. In the first instance we want to switch off the maximizer so it doesn't raise the volume, and in the other instance we want to switch off everything except for the maximizer, so switch off the EQ and switch off the width match, and then we can slap EQ8 or any equalizer in between these two. Now we can work on the EQ, adjusting it tiny bit at a time, and then everything should sound okay, but try not to boost it too much. You can rather cut than boost. Case number 2, you're watching this video and you're not subscribed to my channel. Easy. What we can do about it is go below the video, click the white subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you're not losing any of my content, and then hit the like button to get that warm fuzzy feeling in your heart. Thank you. Case number 3, you have the Izotope Ozone 9 elements and you don't want to upgrade to version 10, here's what you can do. Capture musical data to audio lens or find your favorite reference track here that you captured before, and then you can play your music and fix the EQ to your liking so it matches the tonal curve here. So let's listen to this. This is quite an extreme example, but it kind of works to match the equalizer to what's in the audio lens. So you see it roughly matches the curve, and when you see these blinking white, it means that you are matching the same kind of values. Now if you had 2 screens, it makes life so much easier. Now you can try to automate the equalizer you have just set up on and off a couple times, export the song and listen to it while you go for a walk to compare which sections work better. Oh, do you want to know how to automate things in Ableton like a boss? Then you really want to see this video. And if you're getting any value of the videos I'm making here, you can of course subscribe to the channel, that helps a lot. And then if you want to support me even more, you can buy me a coffee. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Cheers!